What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, alongside with my Theta Guardian node summary page if you are trying to stake as much Theta tokens and earn as much T-Fuel, especially help out the community, my channel, as well as the whole network altogether. Definitely check out that summary code down below, and I'll also have the QR code here somewhere on this video if you like to use whichever one is more convenient for you. Starting on the Explorer page, we'll go on the price of Theta in the making of this video. Just a little reminder that some of these videos are pre-recorded ahead of time to work out with my schedule and my work-life balance. The current price of Theta is at that dollar mark, as well as T-Fuel at that 4-cent mark and T-Drop at that 0.0026 mark. So it seems like there's a pretty good significant bump for T-Drop. I believe the last time I made the video, it was at that 0.0017 mark, I remember, if I remember correctly, or maybe around that 0.002 mark. But it's still a significant bump, for at least enough for me to mention and highlight for you guys. So definitely comment down below, guys, what you guys think about where the price will go by the end of Q1 of 2024. As you can tell with all the news that I will share, especially in this video, I feel like the partners are slowly ramping up. I do want to mention some of that, but like I say, as always, none of these videos are financial advice. Now, going on to the post on X, we'll start there and then go on to the news. Seeing right here that the Theta website roadmap updated as well. Of course, I'll dive into this in another video most likely, but I want to incorporate some of the partnerships that are currently being established. Seeing right here for some of the highlights, you see the Edge Cloud Next Gen Release 1, the Theta Hackathon for Metachain Edge Cloud, Deepen Focus, new adoption metrics, support new ecosystem, Theta Video API, looks like 2024 continued, the Edge Cloud's Next Gen Network Release 2, fully decentralized Theta Video API for digital rights management, Next Gen Theta Web3, Theater integrated into Theta Drop and partner platforms, extend T-Drop use cases to partner in marketplaces, Edge Cloud and Next Gen Edge Network release in 2025, and so on and so forth. But we'll just stick to 2024, so take a quick pause here if you like, just to read a little more details into this topic. Going on to the next part of this video, seeing right here that Theta Network appeared in the NASDAQ article. Theta Labs are helping establish Hollywood players better navigate the new era by providing Web3 tools that can be used to enhance entertainment that deepens the engagement. We're definitely going to mention most of this highlight. We're not going to read the entirety of it. I'm trying to learn my lesson and try to navigate myself along throughout these videos to make it a little more interesting, just to go from one paragraph to the next rather than reading the entirety of it. I'll try to do my best, but we'll definitely highlight some of the things here in this article from the NASDAQ. Going over here, we're going to see will new SEC approvals help drive Web3 entertainment ventures? This was posted on January 25th of 2024, so just a little behind. So some of the news I just like to double check before posting some of these things. So it's definitely a quick read, guys, so definitely bear with me. Long-awaited SEC approvals of specific Bitcoin exchange-traded funds created high anticipation in many financial circles recently. Many experts in the cryptocurrency arenas are saying that much development could actually begin to reshape the entire financial industry. Digital currency trading may have begun as fringe activity, but with the SEC nod, crypto just received a major mainstream boost. While many veterans in crypto wonder if the original philosophy of digital currency that empowers holders by offering decentralized framework that operates outside the traditional financial system is fading, what is undeniable is that the recent developments pertaining to the ETFs create a greater sense of legitimacy and credibility, because nearly everyone seems to agree the path is now open for traditional investors to interact with digital assets within a regulated and familiar structure. However, this new tide could lift the Web3 boat as well, given that economy through community mantra of the space rests heavily on the digital currencies on digital assets. This will affect industry dabbling in Web3, but the intersection of this arena with the entertainment industry could hold particular opportunities, and this is where we cue in Theta Network. Simultaneously, mavericks like Theta Labs are helping established Hollywood players better navigate the new era by providing Web3 tools that can be used to enhance entertainment that deepens engagement. The overall budding sector presents a monumental opportunity, since content expected to grow by 1.4 billion by 2026. And with new devices on the horizon, one can be sure that the number of hours of screen time will only increase, which will mean more opportunities for a multitude of transactions. Essentially, this is a new era about building out fandom in a more interesting way with Web3 tooling that is seamlessly integrated. Now, as discussions include digital assets and digital currency are becoming more acceptable, The competitive advantage will lie with those who can not only build on top of the experiences in a way that only digital currency can do, but also do so by communicating organically about the opportunity in a way that is accessible to consumers at large. Market share will go to those who develop the best flywheels around these new platforms first. So that is just a quick glimpse of what I want to show you guys in this article. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description, guys, for all the links I'm posting in this video. A couple more things I do want to read to incorporate onto this highlight for the video, because there's a lot of news incorporating Web3 recently that I've been able to find in terms of Theta and these articles. Going over here, you're going to see Andrea Berry also mentions this link for this article. Theta Network's 2024 roadmap drives toward next-gen video application. Looks like this was posted on January 29th of 2024. About a 3-minute read, nice, quick, and short, so definitely bear with me as well. One of the main goals of Theta Edge Cloud is to provide infrastructure that can handle immersive extended reality experiences as well as video-based AI and other cutting-edge technologies. Theta Network, which is a popular platform for delivering videos and forming edge computing in a decentralized manner, has announced its plans for 2024. These include an introduction of exciting new technology called Theta Edge Cloud. This solution combines the benefits of edge cloud and computing to support advanced applications in video, media, and artificial intelligence. As of many people who are aware about, who are already in Theta, are familiar with FedML as Levita AI, as well as all the other platforms in terms of Film 3 Festival and hopefully more growing partners. Theta Edge Cloud release will be in phases in 2024. Like we mentioned earlier in the introduction of the video, there's going to be phases for how this is going to be released. One of the main goals of Theta Edge Cloud is to provide infrastructure that can be handled immersive extended reality experiences, as well as video-based AI and other cutting-edge technologies. It will be released in multiple phases, with the first phase scheduled for the first half of 2024. During this phase, Theta will launch cloud-hosted nodes that can handle complex AI models and tasks. The idea behind the Theta Edge Cloud is to strike a balance between the low latency and widespread availability of edge computing and flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness of cloud infrastructure. By combining these two approaches, the Theta aims to create a powerful platform that can support the needs of emerging technologies and provide a high-quality user experience. Like I mentioned also in my comments, that people have been mentioning why the reason Theta may not be a higher value is because I feel like my personal belief is that it's not currently being adopted onto many platforms. So once all the security is, I believe they're taking things nice and slow. Building that security, incorporating businesses, and then implementing is the way and route that they want to go through. It may sound like it's going to go through a couple loops, but the safety and security for the community members and business partners, I believe, is what they're trying to guarantee. Apart from the Edge Cloud, the platform has plans to introduce more upgrades and features in 2024. Some of these include organizing a special event called Theta Hackathon, where they will showcase different ways to use their technology. They will also implement TNT20 staking, a feature that allows users to earn rewards by holding and staking their TNT20 tokens. Additionally, Theta will work on improving the Theta Video API to make it even better for handling videos. Later in the year, during Edge Cloud Phase 2, Theta will give partners and users the opportunity to set up their own nodes during their preferred cloud providers. This means they can have more control over their own computing infrastructure. At the same time, they will also launch fully decentralized Theta Video API, which will make it easier for people to work with videos in a decentralized manner. The blockchain also has plans to unveil Theta Web3 Theater, which will provide a unique, innovative viewing experience. It will be integrated into platforms like ThetaDrop and other of its partners, and current plans to extend to 2025. But I just want to focus on this year. I want to take things slow with the news, not look too far ahead, but just stay within quarters, maybe within the second quarter, but not too far extended throughout the future. I just want to stay within a certain realm and go from there with the news, guys. So if you haven't yet, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button, especially if you're looking for the Theta news. But we're still going to go on to some of the news that I have and stored for you guys. Going here, you're also going to see to continue on. As one door closes, another opens. It is an incredible honor to announce that their partnership with Theta Network today, the leader in Web3 entertainment. Thank you, Web3 Andrea, Mitch Liu. Big things on the horizon for Film 3. This was posted on February 2nd of 2024. So as you can tell, the partnerships are growing based on the dates on these articles that are being released. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this, but I just want to mention some of the posts on X. Seen here is from GameStop to Theta Network. Welcome. And Pattern Integrity, I believe, says Pattern Integrity Films. I guess that's the way to say it. Let's take Film 3 to the next level. Webby Award nominated filmmakers building on Film 3 with Theta Network and Film 3 Squad. I believe they were also part of the Medicaid's Film 3 Festival in the last 2 years of 22 and 21. Check out their docuseries process at the Hollywood Theater. So just some news and something relevant to these type of platforms I just want to show you guys and showcase. It's trying to help you guys stay caught up with as much news as possible possible. So please definitely comment down below for anything that you've seen so far that you would like to mention. Continuing on with some of the news we're going to see here as well. Theta Network offers a specialized blockchain tailored for media and entertainment, and its focus on a community engagement is unparalleled. Christy Kingsbury, filmmaker at Pattern Integrity Films. This was just recently, like another type of news. This was posted on February 2nd as well, 2024. But just tying in that all the news, the outlets for Film 3 and Theta, it seems like it's growing. I'm hoping it grows into something more. Of course, you gotta take baby steps, especially when you're trying to build something great and big. That is just my own opinion and thoughts about that. But as you can tell, that there's gonna be articles on it. I don't want to go into too much details about it, but it just shows that this was posted, like I said, February 2nd of 2024. The Pattern Integrity Film 3 Films shifts to Theta Network to expand Film 3 presence. So altogether, when you read this article, it just claims the help expansion for Theta Network as well as Film 3, and also just ending on their primary goal has always been to support creators and give them a platform to showcase their incredible work. Theta is gearing up to unlock more Film 3 opportunities shortly, and while we can't share the details just yet, expect more initiatives that will further enrich the Film 3 landscape and its community. So it's just something to really look forward to. Of course, it's difficult to really go through all this market that people are looking at the price and they're not necessarily too happy. I try not to look at the price every day. It's kind of hard not to. I just try to look at the news. That's just how I fight the urge for any kind of it's very unhealthy to look at the price. I just try to look at the news, make sure things are continuously being developed, partnerships being made, things like that. And then when I'm able to make these videos, it gives me a little more optimistic view for the project just because I'm seeing things being built and made. But that's just my own take, guys. I could be just hopelessly optimistic, especially since I'm invested into Theta for the last couple of years. But definitely put your own thoughts and comments, guys, about how you think this project will go, especially by the end of Q1 of 2024. And just ending a little bit more on this note, we're going to see that here is more partnerships seen that meet Theta Network. Theta stands at the cutting edge of the next generation blockchain for video, AI, and entertainment, reducing costs associated with video transcoding, storage, and content delivery. Looks like the SEG3 looks like right here, Los Angeles 5 and 6, 2024, is the meeting place for sports, entertainment, and gaming brands to collaborate with Web3 and emerging technology. I know it looks like it's a new page, but of course we have to start somewhere for this type of technology. As we know and remember that Theta Network originally is for sports, esports, entertainment, and gaming. So it looks like they're going back to the roots in terms of trying to build these partnerships, especially on the platforms that they initially told us that they were going to build on. But we shall see. We just gotta wait it out. Unfortunately, that's just how all these type of developments work. But I'm hoping that these videos are helpful, educational, and you are able to learn a little something today, guys. But that is all I really have for today's video. A little longer in length. So if you don't mind, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't yet, especially if you're new to the channel. Welcome to the channel, especially if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, guys. That's what I do mainly on the channel. Really hoping to see you on the next one. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Greatly appreciate you. Definitely check out all the links down below, especially if you're trying to stay caught up. Check out that Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, as well as my Theta Guardian summary page note. So if you want to copy and paste that link down below to stake your tokens, or if you want to use this QR code as well, whichever is easier for you to stake Theta tokens, so that you help out the whole community, you help out yourself, earn some T-Fuel, and then we enjoy the ride together. Like I said, guys, if you haven't yet, definitely please hit the like and subscribe button. Until the next video, the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.